It's not the same for some other JetBrains products. So, for instance, it's different for PyCharm, our IDE for Python, because Django community is considered by me. I think I consider Django community is somewhat. I mean, it's an MVC thing, right? It's yeah, and it's a a framework, and people may use the same approach to programming, to web dev, and probably somewhat the same for JavaScript developers. But Python is bigger. It has data scientists. It's really huge for education and other things. Same for Java, desktop applications. That's not only web dev. Many different things going on, and they use our tools differently because they use different approaches. They program differently. They think a little bit differently.
Okay.
Because it's a little bit of a different sphere. It's not web dev. It's not web development, but desktop applications or and many other things. It's interesting. Hence they use JetBrains tools differently. So this is new for us as well. We now understand that RubyMine should have probably a little bit different. Should be designed a little bit different in terms of interface. This is new.
Okay.
This is a new way of thinking for us. We never thought about it before. But we have UX specialists now, and we work closely to understand.